Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix this common Volkswagen issue. I'll be showing you how to glue this. It's really simple. First, since this is already broken, I'll just take it out. Once the mirror is out, we can see this surface is kind of clean. The previous owner didn't put super glue like the other side. So I'll spread some silicone right over here. I think it'll be easier if I just apply it here. So we'll spread some silicone or some contact adhesive and spread it till it's nice and filled. Glue it back. And to apply pressure, just use some cloth and something to tie it on. Just let it sit for a few hours, maybe an hour or two, and it's done. And as you can see, the glass doesn't wobble anymore and it won't come off easily. Thank you for watching.